Hey guys, I just finished editing this video and it's really good. It has a lot of good fish, so just make sure to watch to the end. Thanks for watching, and yeah, this is me catching some big smallmouth. Okay, try fast. No way. Oh, that's funny. First smallmouth of the year was like the tiniest.
Make a video on that.
I think I'm recording.
Say it's your new PB.
PB right here. Probably like a 5-incher, so let's let him go.
Actually tiny.
I saw him eat it. I was like,
yeah, I know. I told you, bro. What did I say? And then makes a cast like that after.
Dude, I literally. Oh, that's actually really funny. Oh, it's like tiny. What the heck? Buddy. You did?
Yeah.
Oh my, that's so annoying that people do that. All right, nice little one. Probably about 5 inches. There he goes. Well, that scared me. Okay, I'll keep my GoPro on for a minute. Oh, if you catch a big fish, Tyler, I'll try my best to get on video for you, and then I'll send that to you, and you can put that on your YouTube channel.
Okay. Do you have a knife right now?
A knife?
Yeah, I mean, right now.
Oh my, bro, that's so annoying.
That's so, oh shit.
All right, guys, I got one on the jerkbait. Look at that. Oh gosh, this is a big one. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is like a 3.5. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh. That is such a big fish. You see that, guys? That's like a 3.5. I'll go get the scale. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, jeez. That is such a big fish. Don't know if you guys can see it. .306. 3 on the dot. So a little smaller than I thought. But regardless, that's a big fish. Oh my goodness. Big smallmouth. Oh, that's such a big fish. Oh. I'll show you what I caught him on, guys. Caught him on this nice gold jerkbait. I've had no luck with it today until that. And I boat flipped them. So I've just been casting along the shore like that. And then I just felt like I got snagged. And this thing doesn't go down that far, it only goes like 2-3 feet. And it's like 6 feet here, so I was like, oh, that's suspicious. So I hook set, it was moving, jumping. Had 2 hooks in them though. Didn't lose them.
Oh shit, it's already 2:16.
Caught this one, kind of little.
Tell me to work at 4:30. 4:30, so I need to get out of here at 4.
That's all right, guys. Look at this. Just got like another 3-pounder. We're gonna weigh him right now. There it is. So it's like 2.5.
2.5 pounds.
It's a good fish.
Yeah, there it is.
All right,
Release.
let's let him go. Oh, that's such a nice fish right there. Caught him on a drop shot.